Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your phone using an Xbox controller. First, make sure your Xbox controller is fully charged and ready to go. Next, open your phone settings and turn on Bluetooth. Then, put your Xbox controller into pairing mode by holding down the small sync button on top for about 3 seconds. Finally, select your Xbox wireless controller from the list of available Bluetooth devices on your phone to connect it. Now that your controller is connected, let's get Roblox ready. If you haven't already, download and install the Roblox application from your phone's App Store. Once installed, log into your existing Roblox account or easily create a new one. It's also a good idea to ensure your phone's operating system is up to date for the best experience. Some Roblox games might even have specific controller settings you can adjust. With your controller paired and Roblox installed, you're ready to play. Launch any Roblox game that supports controller input. Many games on the platform will automatically detect and configure your Xbox controller, making it super easy to jump right in. Feel free to experiment with various games to discover which ones offer the best controller experience. You'll likely find enhanced precision and comfort using your Xbox controller for extended play sessions. Sometimes you might encounter a small hiccup, but don't worry. If your controller disconnects, simply repair it through your phone's Bluetooth settings. Also, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are causing interference. A quick restart of both your phone and the Xbox controller can often resolve minor glitches. For the best compatibility and performance, always keep your controller's firmware updated. Enjoy countless hours of fun playing Roblox with your Xbox controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.